Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna go through Pictory AI tutorial and how you can create videos without showing your face by just pasting your script, and it will create you a video you want. After that you will be able to edit everything you want, and yeah, so let's get straight to the video. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now let's go to the pricing right there and see how much it costs. So if you would go ahead and choose a yearly billing for a starter, which includes 200 video minutes, 2 million royalty-free videos from Storyblocks, and this is for a 1 month. Unlimited standard voices in 7 languages and 1 brand kit, no watermark, and some basic AI tools. This is 19, the professional, and the most popular one, 600 video minutes, 12 million videos from Getty Images, and so on and so forth. So choose the one which fits you the best. If you would choose the monthly billing, it will be way more. Now there's also a free trial, so let's go ahead and try that. So you want to go ahead and continue with Google or just enter your first, last name, email, and password. Now you will see all of this dashboard here, and there is a script to a video option, so you can generate your video. So you want to enter your video name and start typing what you want to get from it. So for now I just wrote this structure. Let's see if that works. So let's go ahead and proceed. You can also do a scene setting, so auto highlight keywords, auto visual selection, and create scenes on both. I'm just gonna click proceed. And let's wait for it. Now you will be able to edit everything. If you want to, you can go ahead and delete the scene, for example. You can do just that and leave it like so. And that's basically it. Your video will be created here. Now you can also choose a portrait option for so it would fit your TikTok or Instagram Reels. If you want to use it for YouTube, definitely choose landscape. Now what you can also do is add transitions between the scenes. So you can do a wipe down, for example, or smooth, radial, fade, and so on and so forth. So after that, you can go ahead and click preview. Creates a video for you just like so. Pretty simple, and you can download it after. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.